I think there are several issues coming out from Curriculum for Excellence Mathematics. Most particularly, this is about the how of learning. How do children actually make sense of the mathematics? How do they make the links between aspects of mathematics? And how do they actually become confident and successful learners in mathematics? So it really needs an investigative approach, one in which children are actively engaged in their learning, and contexts which actually make sense to children, which are meaningful. And that may be real life situations as well, because after all, the skills that we're developing in our very young children are those that ultimately we want for later life and real life mathematical skills. There are particular skills, I think, though, as well, that need some focus. For example, logical reasoning, where a child can actually start from what it is they know and try and work out. This is a core skill, and one that really is at the heart of much of the problem-solving work in Curriculum for Excellence. The other aspect is that children need to have opportunities to work in a whole variety of different ways. They need to be creative, they need to try and make links across learning, across the curriculum, so that what they're using in their mathematics, they can then take into other aspects of the curriculum. For example, some very, very strong links between the language work that they're doing and creating that environment where children are encouraged to talk more and to listen, to clearly articulate what their thinking actually is about what they're learning in mathematics. So there are very, very strong links to be made across various aspects of the curriculum. So essentially, is there a large change? Well, I think one of the key areas of focus is that this now lets us look in a lot more detail at what I would call a talking curriculum, where children are becoming very confident in speaking about not just how they got the answer, but the processes along the way, and seeing that as just as important a part in the process of learning and not just getting the right answer.